Today, we have a flood of official updates regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra. A top Samsung official has reportedly confirmed that the Exynos 2500 chip won't power the Galaxy S25 series. Instead, Samsung has other plans for it, the next-gen foldables. This scoop comes from the credible folks at Thelic. According to the report, Samsung is gearing up to use the Exynos 2500 in the Galaxy Z Flip 7, marking the first time a Galaxy foldable will feature an Exynos processor. Mass production for the chip kicks off next year, just in time for its H2 release. Interestingly, the Exynos 2500 was initially planned for the Galaxy S25 series, but it seems Samsung changed course, possibly because their second-gen 3nm process is now stable enough to take on foldables. This move could finally shake Qualcomm's dominance in Samsung's foldable lineup, giving Exynos a chance to shine. Samsung's bold shift could mean exciting things for the future of foldables. What do you think? Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is stirring up some serious color drama. A fresh leak has stirred up excitement around the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, highlighting a potential new color shade, but not without some confusion. Renowned leaker Ice Universe recently showcased an image of the S25 Ultra's colorway on X, formerly Twitter, dubbing it blue. However, the shade sparked debate as it appeared more like gray to many, including another source, Jukamlasriv, who pointed out the mismatch in the comments. This has left fans puzzled as we edge closer to the anticipated January Unpacked event. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to arrive in 4 stunning titanium-based color options: black, gray, blue, and white silver. Here's the breakdown of the expected colors. Interestingly, blue is set to be the standout signature color for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, although Samsung is reportedly producing the highest volume in the black colorway. Whether Ice Universe's post captured the subtleties of the blue hue or sparked a case of mistaken identity, one thing is clear: the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design is gearing up to dazzle. What if your next phone not only charged faster but came with a design upgrade that screams bold and futuristic? Let's dive into the latest leaks that are turning heads before Samsung even says a word. D brand steals the spotlight with Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories. Pre-orders for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories are live, courtesy of D brand, and they're not holding back. With bold design tweaks showcased through their exclusive cases, D brand is setting the stage even before Samsung has officially announced the Galaxy S25 Ultra's launch details. From the new Ghost, Grip, and Prism cases to an impressive range of custom skins, D brand is teasing some exciting possibilities. The Grip and Prism cases aren't limited to the Ultra. Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus owners can get in on the action too. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's case design is particularly intriguing, featuring cutouts for larger camera rings and a dedicated slot for the LED flashlight. To enhance usability, the side frame includes slightly raised keys for a more natural button feel when using the volume rockers and power keys. But here's where things get even better. D brand's cases enable MagSafe charging functionality thanks to a special design integration. Subtle tweaks like slightly rounded corners give the Galaxy S25 Ultra a fresh edge compared to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. For the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, the Ghost and Prism cases are accompanied by a lineup of sleek back panel skins. Interestingly, early leaks hint at thicker camera rings on the Galaxy S25, resembling the iconic design of the Z Fold 6, while the overall form factor aligns closely with this year's Galaxy S24 series. Is Q2 wireless charging coming to the Galaxy S25? Samsung might be bringing a game-changer to the Galaxy S25 series with potential support for the Q2 wireless charging standard, but there's a twist. Q2 introduces the Magnetic Power Profile MPP, a feature designed to align phones perfectly with chargers for faster and more efficient power delivery. The Galaxy S25 is rumored to support 15-watt wireless charging via Q2. However, it's unclear if the device will include magnetic alignment functionality out of the box. Instead, Samsung could offer an optional magnet case to bring this feature to life. If true, this strategic move could boost Samsung's adoption of Q2. With magnetic alignment, charging becomes not only faster, but also more reliable, something users of the Galaxy S25 lineup might soon experience firsthand. Samsung has just made a huge decision regarding the processors in the Galaxy S25 lineup, and it's all about performance. A few days ago, it was confirmed that Samsung will announce the Galaxy S25 series on January 22. As the launch event approaches, a new report has emerged that Galaxy fans will be thrilled to hear. All models in the Galaxy S25 lineup, Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra will exclusively use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This decision might come as a surprise to some, considering that earlier rumors suggested the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus would feature Samsung's Exynos 2500 chip, while the Galaxy S25 Ultra was expected to use a Snapdragon chip. It appears that Samsung has shifted its plans due to issues with the yield rate of the Exynos 2500 chip, leading the company to opt for Snapdragon chips across the entire S25 lineup. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, announced just a few weeks ago, brings a host of improvements to the Galaxy S25 series. Not only does it offer enhanced CPU and GPU performance, but it also introduces custom technologies designed to elevate the overall gaming experience. For instance, the Galaxy S25 series could support game frame interpolation using Qualcomm's Adreno Frame Motion Engine AFME 2.0 technology, allowing games capped at 60 Hz refresh rates or 60 frames per second to run at a smooth 120 Hz high refresh rate or 120 frames per second. The phones may also leverage Qualcomm's Snapdragon Game Super Resolution feature, which upscales the game's resolution without straining the system. These enhancements are part of Samsung's Game Assist feature, which improves game resolution and frame rate while reducing heat. This move marks a significant shift for Samsung, which had initially planned to use the Exynos 2500 processor in the Galaxy S25 and the Galaxy S25 Plus, but has now opted for the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip in all three models. It reflects Samsung's emphasis on delivering the best possible performance and gaming features to its Galaxy S25 users. Official details are here, and Samsung's next big thing is about to hit. Samsung is entering a critical phase as it prepares for the unveiling of the Galaxy S25 series. A new report suggests that the release date for the Galaxy S25 series has been set for February 7, 2025, following its official launch on January 22, 2025. According to FFN News, Samsung has confirmed that the Galaxy S25 series will be released on February 7, 2025. The devices will be revealed at the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22 in the United States. The report also mentions that pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 series will run from January 24 to February 3, with early access for pre-order customers beginning on February 4. Samsung is expected to officially launch the Galaxy S25 lineup in South Korea on February 7. This marks a slight delay in availability compared to the Galaxy S24 series, which had an earlier release. Here's what we can expect. The Galaxy S25 series will be unveiled at the Galaxy Unpacked event in San Jose, USA on January 22, 2025. Pre-orders will be open from January 24 to February 3. Customers who pre-order will get early access starting February 4. The full release of the Galaxy S25 series in Korea is scheduled for February 7, 2025. With the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung aims to strengthen its position in the premium smartphone market. The new devices will feature enhanced AI capabilities, refined designs, and upgraded specifications. Price hike in Korea? Due to the ongoing political instability in Korea, the $1 exchange rate has risen above 1,451, which could lead to a price increase for the S25 series in Samsung's home country. Additionally, the cancellation of the Exynos 2500 chipset is expected to impact Samsung's profits, as all models will likely be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is manufactured using TSMC's expensive 3nm process node. I hope you liked the video. If you've enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.